All right, so this is a element from a Speed Queen dryer, and I just kind of want to show a couple things. Now, this element is good. So testing your element, you would set your meter to continuity, and if the element is good, you're going to hear a beep or beeping sound. That means the element is good. And after, we're going to check it for grounding, and that checks if the element itself, the housing, the wires, are touching the housing. And if it's beeping when you have your meter lead on that and the body, the element is grounded. So we're going to check now for continuity. And when you're checking, make sure you're not touching the body. That's a good element. Now we're going to check to see if it's grounded. And it's not, and that's a good thing. Now this is the cycling thermostat. So he goes on and off, and two ways of testing. That's one. But sometimes it turns off and on, and sometimes it gets stuck in the on position and it does not cycle. So when that happens, this will end up blowing or tripping and your dryer will not heat. So it's always good to heat these. Use a torch or a hair dryer or something and concentrate the heat here. You hear them click, which I'll show you, and then they open, circuit is open, and when it cools back down, it closes the circuit and it beeps. So you do not want to do that with this though. He should always be closed circuit, and in the event of a grounded element or the high limit does not cycle, meaning it stays on, so power just continue until it gets too hot, and then he would trip, cutting off the circuit. We could check him as well. He's good, but just want to show you. As you can see. All right, and that's how you check that on this Speed Queen dryer. As you can see, cycled off, needed some heavy duty temperature. Now it should be cycling back on shortly. You heard the click, so it is back on. Now the element would be on again, and that's what that does, and that's how you properly check those to make sure that they're actually cycling. Thanks for watching.